Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We praise Him that we are Muslim. We also praise Him that we are among the Ummah of the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. But sadly, we are facing great difficulties and challenges at the moment. Whereas Muslims are not united, Muslims are not helping each other, but instead, we are busy fighting each other, calling each other names. We ask Allah to protect us as He told us in the glorious Quran in various verses that we should be brothers of ourselves and keepers of our brothers. As He says in the Holy Quran, the believers are but brothers, so make settlement between your brothers and fear Allah, that you may receive mercy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us. He really wants us of something that we really need to be warned about today in this world. Today, it happens to be Muslims. Every small thing, we are divided. We are disputed. We are disunited. We cannot work together. No. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really wants us about discipline among us as an ummah. If we are to dispute and argue, what will happen to us? It is a fact that we will really lose our power and might as an ummah. As today we have more than 1.5 billion Muslims on the globe, but yet we can't come together and sweat a flight or to agree on a single straight path. Why? Because everyone is a big sheikh on his own, and that sheikhs are busy fighting each other. Each one calling the other a kafir. Wallahi, it's a reality. What are you talking about? When we are a ummah, we share the shahada, which is enough. Put aside your differences and come together. We need the might as an ummah, as we have the numbers, we have the wealth, we have the everything we need. But the problem is that we are disputing. And so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah really loves us. Wallahi, Allah loves us. As He warns us in another verse in the glorious Quran, as He says, وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بَعْدُهُمْ أَوْلِيَاءُ بَعْدٍ. Meaning the kuffars, the disbelievers, they are the supporters and protectors of one another. As no matter what, they put aside their differences and unite. The kuffars, any matter that arises, they come together as brothers and forget their differences. Why can't we be like that? My brothers, why can't we do like that? Brothers and sisters, remember, we are from the same father and mother. We are calling for unity, and it will not come without tolerating one another. We have to tolerate ourselves. We should understand that not everyone will think or have the same inclination as you do. Always remember, the kuffars or the disbelievers are excited. They are very happy because they can trample upon us. They have the power upon us. They do what they like because of the mere disunity we are having among ourselves. We need this unity, brothers. We should wake up. We are suffering. Our brothers are suffering across the globe because we are disunited. We can come together and fight for our brothers. We are calling each other names, swearing upon ourselves. When we all utter the shahada, ashhadu an la ilaha illa wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Wallah, this is a passionate call. This is a passionate call from your brother. We want this peace. We are searching for peace because we are and we will always be the people of peace. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us, protect this ummah. May He grant us unity. May He open our door. May He bring the end of this pandemic known as coronavirus. Until we meet again, I remain your brother Ahmad Auwal Adam, the CEO of Dawah Squad Reminders. Do well to search us on all social medias at Dawah Squad Reminders, and for Twitter, Dawah Reminders. Stay blessed. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.